One person, he don't die for Douala here, for Sika plenty rainway for overnight, for that side, so for BP City, corner people them, rainway people them, rainway before for that side, where we fall for Douala and for all corner, it don't make plenty people them, they hear bad. This afternoon, we go concentrate some for inside that rainway if fall, for Sika some small problem, we no go surely bring on the other side for the rain and the house away chakaram, but for this afternoon, Sabi say treasury for Aqua is suffer for Sika rain. Now so too some people then too they be get wound for Sika the rain as we talk. One person he don't die, picking is also defined. Library says rain he enter for inside. Chapter 240 we go talk on this afternoon plus Easter Sunday where it be passed. Yesterday we go turn back for Tombell for Catholic Church and for Presbyterian for C as well then says they be glad their big day. Newspaper them says they get their own story for talk for him this afternoon. Big part talk, it talks everything. Say no matter how way you turn your skin up or down, your backside, it goes also remain for side way Papa God he make am. I say no matter how way you turn your skin, your backside, it goes also remain now for the place where Papa God he leave am. Now our Mengi PRO for University for Boyam is send with big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Na tori time for Equinox Tori House. First thing we go talk na chapter for accident. Yes, make we take una go for kilometre seng. Now for inside Douala yem, where some motos a license, a craze, enter na for inside who side, enter for inside place where they so normal. Small so comot if you say I know na training road that the passway driver says we according to Tori where they tell him drive by per place he na train to that way be the job pass for Konam as well that accident it happen just for see say if this accident will happen we train to a for the camp for that side so for kilometers for this sun time a for being na some popo helele for here na say people they don't die but Tori where people them for that side where the accident it happen they talk for him they try for talk for we say waiting say this accident na driver say he make the accident where he pass now for Sika waiting they say driver he no sabi as way he the drive fine so a traffic e be there as well as the see and so now people then that Okada people they say they want wakam plus the heavy rainway for this morning time all people they get for turn up wait so they check as well they will make a see motor they line up na motor that way it don't make accident so for those no accident so who side driver they say driver e be then a person way e be so they learn how for drive way e be enter for the motor lucky say this accident e pass way train says e no be don't start come for Sika say if train for the cam as well the cam now we for here na different story for inside Douala here this early morning time. So now the thing that way pass for kilometers and for Douala side here make we hear some power a tell we for short who caused that thing for be as we dey.
Rebecca na community event you know they look am Douala.
So now who come up how do you know to run open of that?
Na driver self. A driver.
From which side?
Yes, you don't know because they go for ride.
Yes, so that one na chapter for waiting accident. I talk for na say rain where e fall for inside Douala here today. Confusion. Now big head officers for Douala one for place where they keep money call the people them rain e show them pepper. Now in that roof e come up for up tray for ground. Now in that na the first part is Sabi say the rainway before only the breeze way e come with her. One it cause big trouble. Rain e no fit ever fall for Douala where you know here say day one e don't pass, day one e never pass. Now for Aqua say that for inside here we dey safe. Now for place where they take money see Cameroon flag as well e join me na e just turn the man for up there. You see no? Now Cameroon flag that. Then for up roof e don't come out. Roof e don't come out. Now inside hazard inside the workplaces where they pay money. That mommy e take Iraq e start the commode the water. He start the commode the water. That one, you know what then say may work, no start. As so they finish clean water, con the people. As so they finish clean water one time, they start work them. You know worry them at all. even as well roof e don't come out. Them they get small suffer for the roof where e come out. I say they get small suffer. Part 2 for the tori na say wetin. They say e dey open. E dey open. They say no matter how way the thing happen, e dey open. Man, I think make we go for up the house. Make we go for up for the treasury house for Akwaye. Now for up with the big man set in the stay. Yes, more go for up na big man he has this. Now big man for the place he hear bad. It is here no. A house, roof for house. As well that rain a carry all thing chapie come out. Now water. I say now water flow for inside house. Total water. Now all man whether na big or na small pikin. He must to sweep water, must to dry clean, he must to commode the water for inside. See now small worry, he there for inside my house. For sicker drain where he fall for a night. See ceiling. You see no? Ceiling don't soft. For sicker say roof he no dey for up. Yes, roof he no dey for up. For sicker that one. Rain he don't move all thing, he move all for him. You see no? You see I'm saying like that. They see air, they see sky one time. Water he tumbusa one time for inside. So water you don't enter for inside big man for treasury for Akwa house. See bed already finish wet or they don't come out the mattress. You see no? Now only for secret see where that breeze is doing. Breeze is show people them pepper. Now inside Akwa call the people. Now inside bathroom that place where they wash, all thing it come out. For inside Akwa for the same place for treasury. You understand? Now for the nice now the big man in own room this. The big man in own room says all thing inside there. Water don't touch am. All thing. See ceiling. All thing. See am like that. You see am? Just imagine say you sleep. Then water just the throw for your skin. It dey like say na Papa God don't vex with you no. Like that. It just fall on top my skin care. Direct. You dey see am? So now the thing that way rain e do am for inside Akwa. He said he don't wet my skin up. Man dey sleep. Man na dey sleep so. Fine sleep. Then water just the tray for your skin. You do it. Where you just the sleep so you the sleep fine. You the dream so your fine dream say they don't give so your 2 million for some side. Then you want to hear now some cold water they touch you. Hey! Now the man this now suffer the way people they suffer today for overnight. Man they just enjoy a fine sleep. You want to see now water start throw away onto your skin. Throw onto your skin like say that some person don't give punishment. If they give casting go see how the place open. You see how water just the enter for your skin direct current. So now chapter 1 that for suffer for rain overnight for inside the wala here for Akwa. Bepe cite to a year bad. Now man in library this place where they sell book, place where they sell pencil, place where they sell small kind thing for school. You understand? That rain he no give sorry heart at all. My binet in money or he don't go. I say man he binet or he don't go. See how they don't pack book them for inside bag moto. You see how? They don't pack book them for inside bag moto. People they just turn up so they look place. They say who can a ballock rain this? Who can a ballock rain this kind of people them? Yeah? See book the way they don't spoil, pencil the way they don't spoil. See my library for BP City. See how way the rain it cause confusion. Some house where they build for corner. Now for them roof it come out wow boom. Now I don't tell so we sorry for secret we no go fit for show na that image of that house. But for morning time we go prepare that image. Now the house are there on backside. See how way it don't disturb people their business. I say it don't make people they cry. Plenty people there they don't cry. For secret the rain way it fall for inside the wala here. You see am? You see am? People they also pack their cargo them. Pack their cargo them. Now so Binet don't finish. Binet it don't finish. More yeah, one of the pardon. Yes. Now big brother for person where he get the library. The man says all thing do he. If we for talk for he for surely cry. All thing wet. You see all thing. All thing no nothing no come out for the all thing no wet. It is all thing zinc it come out. All they don't tire. Rim for paper. All thing is spoil. Man at the camera for this side. More year big brother for power we get that place. He talk for we.
For the night, you don't know our house. People in the film. Run for all couple. Not only Buhari.
Well, I don't know what you pray.
Plenty money. The figure of 4 million. La papeterie. Primary school, secondary school, university school. Also, you see, motor don't flop. Don't flop. You don't know how we do it.
So, now the thing that will happen, as I talk for seekers on small kind mistake when machine says this or Chris one time, we no go fit for bring the image for house where that's also rain it cause a chakara where you don't kill one person now, and the house where it cause all that confusion for BPCT. But for morning time, we go come with that image. Now, the one way they prepare, now the people the way they do for hospital. May we take una go for Protestant hospital for that side for BPCT. Now for inside this hospital con people. Now for them where people the way they don't get wound, they did them two where they get big wound. I mean two. One na big man, another one na small pikin. Yes. Now inside the hospital where they don't bring that two people the way that rain it make them. You see the motor no? Na motor where they carry man where you over get plenty wound eat the come outside. And na the man the way big commander for research, he don't tell we say the man do already finish die. Now the small picking that way that rain too is also cause problem. Now that now small picking that it is here. Now small picking that way they eat the inside drip. They say the big man already die. As soon as they carry for taxi so they go for Lakentini. They say the one they show hospital you don't die. Now mommy for picking than that. Now the two people that way they so that rain for yesterday it caused confusion. Where it make the finish. See small picking innocent picking. It be the sleep too. One for house common collapse. It creates fall for on their skin. You see small picking. So for palava for the rain call the people. I say so for palava for the rain. So now big ashia for people then for that side for BPCT and this family where one person already die for day. We dey talk ashia. Una understand? We dey talk ashia. But the one according to confirmed story where commandant for that side so for where they call and say gendarmerie research where they call and say Oga Betty Dominique. He says he don't draw yan me say they so one man don't die. The big man with the one carry and go for Lakentini. So for Sika chapter for rain, he don't die. So na big ashia. So the rain, he don't kill one person overnight. Tomorrow we'll come back for that image for that house where they build and where it cause confusion. Then the other chakara, the way they rain a chakara. When I'll see other one, I'll count them tomorrow. Now we go take una go for half mile for Limbe. The one that will be the happen. So we take them the way we be the take and the one say ambassador says be there for ground. Now Tifma where they did not cancel for filling station. Place where they put fuel. They knock that man hole now only that thing say he no go move your hand. They did knock it, he don't go thief. Then they pick it for inside place where they put oil. Knock him. He say he no go leave that place. Now people they realize say na place where they put oil. Some person can't put fire now so the place is start cash. They will toss away. Now thief man that. Where you don't go thief for half my day. Cash and knock and sote. Last. They say na police people them. They can't carry. Yes. Now police people they can't carry. If police people know for camp, population for half man they don't prepare. Say they go finish with you one time. But lucky for you. Lucky. Say police they can't carry come out. That one we finish on that side. Make we enter now so for chapter for Easter Sunday. For that side for Presbyterian Church for Tombe. When I say no, police people they be there for gate. Any married they enter na trouble. And it be then a special one. For Sika say Presbyterian Church for that side for Tombe, it be decide for give dash. For people the way they don't run for different villages. For Sika this chapter for Northwest and Southwest. So they begin dash for the people that they don't get their own for chop. So it be then at their own big Easter. Pastor says Ejakwe Joseph. Where he says they like Ogak Patapata. Now he says be look all the one them. So inside Easter Sunday, it be then a day for give so sorry heart. For mommy them picking the way they don't run different villages, different places, they come for inside Tombe. But Sabi say the same prayer where they pray for all sides. Now say make peace. Make this palava for Northwest and Southwest. Make medicine in the way they go drink and so that it finish. Now the prayer than that. Where they do one for all the churches. But the two will be passed for this and I say all the mommy there they don't come out for different villages. They don't picking there they come out different villages. where they run now for Sika Palava for Northwest and Southwest, pastor them for that side, they say, make they give them some more chop. As well, Jesus, the jarab for die, make the show sorry how to for people the way they no get. So now one of the main thing that for inside Easter Sunday for Presbyterian Church for that side, so for Tombe. Jacques Molom, if be fair talk with these people them, where they give them dash. Make we hear them.
For be a beneficiary for this gift. And at the back say, and not even this denomination, make the other denomination, they take this example, they copy them. I be a Baptist, but I be very happy to say I be a beneficiary. So make them do the copy this example, make them do as God wants them.
As they do and so, also without God, we they do all the work. As other people, they never do so. But now we don't see us. To plan the church, the work, and no problem.
And now, pastor for inside Presbyterian Church for side for Tombel, after church for Easter, waiting pastor, Reverend Pastor Ejakwe Joseph, again for talk, on here.
This wonderful day, say Jesus Christ, he don't come out from grave. And so any marriage for any situation, make it believe for God, and that power, it will move it also from that or from any sickness. Any religion where you no get concern for people and their economic condition where they strangle them, now dead and useless religion. And so that is why we see, say, we will be strong, we will celebrate. We must put a hand, a smile on the faces of those who they suffer. Plenty they don't lose their houses. Plenty they don't do it, they don't get married, they help them. And so that is why we buy this food stuff, all these things them, for support them, for say make church, it give them a smile for their faces.
So that one na Presbyterian Church for Tombel, make we take una go for corner for Catholic Church itself. It be then a big prayer too. We it be passed to for Catholic Church for that side so for Tombel, but sabi say one for the two will be did the same way like that one for Presbyterian Church. Now police people them where they turn up for all corner, all money eye, it be the shine for check any man way in no turn up fine. Inside the church itself, Father, it be prayer not so for chapter for say make peace, it turn back, DOSF, Oga Yam, Leona, it be day to for church, as we pastor them, and Father, they be the glad with a church people them as we Jesus, it don't jar up. And Sabi say this jar up with Jesus, a jar up for die, now for say make people they continue for glad, and for prayer to say make peace, it last turn back for inside Northwest and Southwest. For Sika this big palava where they don't meet up since the past 2 years. So now the main prayer then that way all people them, pastor and Reverend Father for inside Tom beside the Catholic Church and Presbyterian Church, the prayer say make things them they work a fine for all people them. After that one, it be then a blessing and even baptism, all thing it work a fine for Catholic Church for that side for Tombe. Make we hear Father for inside Catholic Church, it we waiting where Easter amen.
The feast of the resurrection for Jesus Christ, it being a feast where he passed all other feasts. He said every Christian too, he get hope. Say as how if he die, it will get off or die with Jesus Christ. And as Jesus Christ, he died, he get off or die. If he invite me and you to say make we kill our own self. Our old self, the bad habit the way we get and we will kill her and miss all the trouble the way that they go through. Say, make no man enough fear. Make no man enough fear because Jesus Christ, he will help her. He will support me for every struggle, all the suffer we will go through. Jesus Christ, he come with peace. He come with good light. Make people the way them be suffer, make them not cry because Jesus Christ, he did with them.
Yes, so now Father that for inside Catholic Church for Tombel, DOSSF, Jacques Mulom, et be meet out DO, A try for ask DO waiting and why we they put some kind of commandia, say make population respect, why we they put an on. Oga Nyam Leona, we na DO for Inside Tombe, he be talk to for Jackie Nomolo in microphone.
Opportunity for wish happy Easter for all people in the Tombe subdivision. And I wanted to say the measure we will take on for make sure say all activities end for 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. But for make sure say it's better to prevent than to cure. And I think I want to seize this opportunity for wish them happy Easter, and then I encourage them for the follow-up of this measure we don't do them because they actually respect all things we don't talk.
Yes, now Gadio that chef there for Inside Tombe subdivision, Sabi say dinner for under Kupe Maninguba division. So now the story then that for now for this afternoon. Tomorrow we go turn back again for some time with other better story. There might be promised on an image for airport. I go show another image for some time. Make no man no shake. See as you na airport the leak for place where they put cargo them and even other small thing them, bafia people them, light to they transformer don't fall for down. For morning time, I go turn back with other image them as we a condo TTSS with the here. Say they don't get new mayor after with their first mayor died, they don't vote new mayor. All that one then so we go bring them for some time tomorrow. Now so make we enter for Toriwe newspaper then sesep the talk first one we go enter now for Inside the Median con the people them the Median way day for outside today. He talk na this chapter for Waka for Atanganji where he go for go make peace with the people them for Sawes. According to the Median, they tell say Atanganji they give correct come good for inside Sawes. Sabi says also for Inside the Median for Sika chapter for Norwest and Sawes. They tell we say Queen Elisa a country where they call and say na United Kingdom. France for Emmanuel Macron and Donald Trump a country in the USA. All them they don't talk say make their country people them they don't try make Waka go for Southern Cameroon where me say na Norwest and Asawest for Sika the two sabi say the pass for them. So for Inside the Median if you read some story where it concern Agbobala where African Bar Association they don't put it again for up as well they give some big chair for she don't like some big man for Palava for law and Palava for human rights. Other story the day with the Median a carry on today. Make we enter now also for Inside another story where they for outside the advocate newspaper where it dey for outside for this some time it gets its own story for tell we calling people them. Inside the Advocate they try for tell we say waiting say Palava vote for get new senator them for inside country. They say SDF it talk say big pacha it don't happen for Sika that one according to the Advocate they don't send plenty complain them for Yawende. So for Inside the Advocate you go read story where it concern Palava Bison Bank their chief as we 47-year-old man where they call and say 47-year-old man he don't take chair after the other person Chief Tambe Ayuk he go for Waka. Other story the day for the Advocate where you feel read them. We go enter now also for the Sun newspaper where they for outside con the people them. The Sun newspaper it gets its own chapter 2 for Terry for this afternoon. The Sun it turn back for Waka for Atanganji for Norwest. For Sawes waiting it talk they try for Terry say waiting Atanganji it don't send a peace plan for people them where they fight under Amber people they say make they turn back. Now so too it talks say make all them they try for keep their gun them for down turn back as we prodigal son Pikin Ibiduam for Inside Bible. Inside the Sun 2 chapter for Norwest and Sawes day as we they tell we say waiting after we France it talk United Kingdom said they be the last people then too they don't talk say make their country people them they no try Waka go for Norwest or Sawes. The Sun 2 it talk chapter for a complaint where SDF they don't write them put them for Inside Constitutional Council for Sika vote where it pass for Senate say plenty pacha ebidede. CPD and SSF it struggle for say make they get even one chair like Senate inside that side so for Bamenda. Make we enter now so for another newspaper con people them other newspaper the guardian post where it dey for outside. The guardian post e get its own tori for talk. Inside the guardian post wey dey for outside for this morning time, they tell you say wetin Professor Kale e don open all the lie dem wey Oga Atanganji talk after we Senate vote e be pass. According to the guardian post, they dey try for tell we too say people the way they be catch Ginicom SDF dem councillor they don levy after we dey pay them some small money. E mean say they levy am for loan. Inside the same tori for the guardian post, you go read someone where they tell say big man for Muslim people them inside Douala Yem. E don talk say that 33 million wey all people there they want turn up for vote for election they get for pay am like caution. If you pay am for Nkunkuma, who do that kind of talk? You fit enter for the guardian post, you go read that story. Plus as we Kondengi prison people them, they beg say wetin make Papa God e come change their life. The Star newspaper says a day for outside today. The Star newspaper it talks wetin it turn back for this big prayer where it pass for inside gata for Kondengi as wetin all that people there they catch them where they don't give them casting gold. They the prayer now say make Papa God he get sorry heart. He touch people then too for year. May they check as well they go left then they come up for inside Kondengi. So it be in a prayer for beg for Papa God to make it show sorry heart. So for inside the Star newspaper, you feel read tori wey concern SDF and Palava vote for senator where they talk say SDF they don't write so they 5 complain where mean say come on for 5 different region them for the chapter for vote for get new senator inside. Other tori the day where the Star newspaper a carry am wey e concern even Palava minister for money Oga Mutazim wey say e photo dey for day. The post e dey too for outside. Call the people them the post wey dey for outside for this time e get e own tori for Terry as well according to the post. He say a Kamamburu people them enter for hospital, carry sick man, carry go for survey, no man in no sabi survey they take and go. According to where they post a talk for him. So for inside the same post, according to where we hear Apostle Solomon, on a sabi that man for God, he don't talk say make Anglophone people them fast plenty for say make this fight where they happen now so make it stop. Mancho BBC says they try for talk say waiting they say make the judge Mancho BBC for Bamenda. That one now the lawyer way they turn up on top the case for Mancho BBC. He talk for the last day when Mancho BBC he become up for outside. For coach they say according to the post they don't report from B Imukete for their big man we na who them they call na Atanganji as we Ibiwaka go for Southwest. Other tori the day where the post where he did for outside a carry am. Can people them last story will go look for inside this time na the Eden. Can people them waiting there for on top the Eden where it dey for outside today. Eden newspaper he get his own story for Terry. He tell we say waiting Atanganji says he own kind magu he make I understand. He don't use them for enter for talk say make peace. He turn back for Southwest. Yes, they say Atanganji he own kind control kind thing there. You understand? So now the thing that way Atanganji don't take enter for inside Southwest for talk say make peace. He enter for inside Southwest. So for inside the Eden you go read tori where it concern Queen Elisa country where don't talk say make a country people them they no just try enter motor go for any of the Anglophone place them Northwest or Southwest. You feel read tori too where it talks say SDF it talks say waiting say make all results vote for Senate where it happen for Southwest made the only council Eden it get other strong number them now for enter for this. So can the people them I don't promise you say for some time when I go come back we go show na house we cause people then hear bad for that side where they call them say BP City. Then even Bafia transformer don't die, people they no get light. All that one they so plus airport as well water the throwaway. We go come back with them for some time. We want to say big thank you for all now one adon she done. Sabi say Tori go continue for inside Equinox Tori House 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock for Queen Elisa Country Talk, 8 o'clock for Emmanuel McCoy Country Talk. Make una all am tight.